Okay, what is this called in structure today?
The process.
The processor.
Yeah.
So we can easily take off by putting some of this around, right?
Yeah.
Should we do from down or from the top?
From the top.
From the top
You
for
can
the.
do from the top.
Say
you
it
can
again. What do we
from-
call?
That one is the process.
Processor.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, processor. And we gotta do from the top, so we gotta carefully do it. And we're gonna circulate the air and then blowing the heat over. And you can tell it melts easily. Now it's time to pick it up. Hey, yeah, it wasn't that easy. You can easily damage it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I have taken it out. Now it's time to clean. Concentrate on cleaning.
Yeah, then that one.
Should I do it with this?
You can't clean it with this one.
Ah,
We use the other wire.
the wire.
The weak wire.
This
That
one?
is- No.
The
one
one that we don't have.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It is
So,
the one that we use
do-
to clean here.
Okay, do not use this wire. Get your camera. Do not use this wire, what's called soldering wire, to clean, what is it called? The processor?
Yeah.
The processor connectors. Okay, and do not use this one to clean, right?
No.
Can I use this?
No.
Okay, so the processor, you have to specifically work on the, what they call the weak wire.
Yeah.
We don't have it today, but we're gonna get it.
I'm gonna get
Okay.
it tomorrow.
Okay, let's put it back then.
Yeah.
Our
Process.
processor looks like this. Can you just straight it up? I can't see it. I can't see it. It's too dark. Can you see it?
It's dark.
Okay. So the brightness of the phone is so low that we couldn't even see what we were pointing.
Yeah.
Let's get over. Yeah, now it's clear.
Yeah.
This is the processor, and this is how it looks from down, and from the top it looks like this. So you won't be able to make a mistake when working on processor on Nokia, old Nokia, small phone, the small phones. So this one, there's some letters written on it. Can we read this thing? Okay, let's see if my Google Pixel will pick up all these letters. Yes, it picked up. We can see all the letters on this processor. What? So clear. Google Pixel thumbs you up. Okay, let's get to real work now. We're gonna place it there
Yeah.
and line it up. It settles so easily on. So we're gonna do from down or from top, from the top. Same thing from the
down.
top.
From down.
Why?
Because when you do from up, you can cause some.
Damage.
Yeah. And,
So we follow what the instructor tells us. He says, do it from down because you can easily cause damage to the motherboard. I think I'm okay. Okay, let's cool it down. Let's wait for a while. Pressurize a little bit to confirm it has settled. I can see some terminals out of the way, right?
yeah. You have to make it.
So I have not done perfect job. I'm gonna redo it, following the instructors.
No, you don't have to remove it, like that.
Just move it a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna line it up until I satisfy
You
it
can
has
be,
settled again.
you can be using the blow when you.
Oh, okay. When doing, you keep using the blower until you adjusted the correct position.
Yeah.
Okay, there's
Just
air too.
blow from down. And blow from down.
Okay. First, let me line it up. You have to be careful
Yeah.
when doing processor, huh? I wish I have this kind of paper clip I could hold on it, but still you can cause it has lined up.
Yeah.
Now it's time to heat it
Yeah.
with a blower.
When you're blowing, like this one, you have to make sure.
You press it down.
No?
Mm.
You put that blow, I show you. From down.
Now it's okay, right? Or no, it's not lined up still.
Yeah.
Okay. So the instructor will show us the best way to adjust it. While using the heater is what is when you need to move the item out of the way or move it to the side or readjust it while you're doing it, blowing it. Otherwise it will stick on a wrong place. Don't go crazy on it, you can easily burn the stuff. Okay, now you're good.
Don't be blowing.
Keep blowing, huh? If you overblow, you can easily burn the stuff. So sometimes you have to give a break.
Yeah.
Whenever you see things getting smoky or melting it. Okay. I hope there's a special. Now we're good, right? We line up good, perfect. Is that gonna be okay?
Yeah.
I can tell that.
I can do now.
Okay, guys. Today we're gonna stop here replacing charging. What they call? What was the mouthpiece? Mouthpiece. The charging port. We also replaced the what is called
The process.
the processor. And let's cool it down this processor for us to even get our hands into the device. So good. At least we have done 3 different things today. Is there any 4th things we can work on? What is this?
Which one?
What is this one?
That one, the card reader.
Huh?
For
Card
SIM
reader,
card, yeah.
the SIM reader, the SIM holder. Okay, so let's take it off too. Okay, we're gonna do a different video. So